Look at me, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
Come on, come over here. So this 350 horsepower GTI wants to run.
I care about my windows down, it's fresh tint.
Oh, I got you.
You hung.
You hung, I don't have a horn.
Alright, good.
All right.
40 roll.
40? All right. And what up, what's good with y'all? Alright, so if you've seen the last video where I gave Pops a ride, you know that this is a part 2 to that. So I have a second ride along getting ready to go down right now, and I'm just basically waiting for baby girl to get here. I know she's coming from, I want to say about an hour away. I think she's from Gilroy area, somewhere over there. Since I'm here early, I guess I'll clean the car up a little bit and get it a little bit of presentable and just hit this thing with a microfiber real quick. You can see this thing be having so much brake dust on my works. These things be looking disrespectful. So I know I'm gonna probably take a couple pictures. That way I can get a couple thumbnails. I know this ride probably might not be all that impressive to her. I don't know. Maybe it's in my head because I'm still coming from the mindset of, you know, I'm giving ride-alongs in the SE. So a 500 horsepower car might not be that impressive doing a ride-along. But I don't know. I know she's been in other fast cars, so this probably isn't gonna be the fastest car she's been in. But I don't know, we'll see what type of reaction we can get out of her. If this ride along sucks and she doesn't like it, then I'm definitely gonna double back and give her a ride in the SE, because I know the SE will be the fastest she's rode in. Looking at her Instagram page, looks like she's been in like CTSVs and things of, you know, that nature. But I know my SE will be the fastest she's rode in, just because it's the fastest shit I've rode in, and not too many people out here making 4 digits. So anywho, we're gonna throw her in this thing today so she gets here. But before I do any of that, let me pop the hood, let this thing cool off a little bit. That way it does that way it is a little bit faster, you know, at its coolest point. So we're gonna try to let this thing cool off some, and then I'm gonna just give her a quick little wipe down, a little dirty little bit, give her a little bird bath. Gotta grab the net rag, I mean microfiber. I know people be like, bro, you just wiping it dry. Like, I give zero about this paint. This paint sucks. So until it gets painted properly, at this point I'm just like, whatever. I'm already kind of scheduled and set up to get it painted by work, so who gives a crap about if the dust scratches it? There's way worse things than, you know, the dust scratching it or whatnot. All right, so they just now pulling up in the little Schmiata. What's up with you, bro?
Manny.
Mike.
Nice meeting you, bro. I've been wanting to meet you. Oh yeah, awkward handshake, bro. Let's correct that shit.
Nah, it's good, bro.
That drive was way too far.
It wasn't that bad.
It's cool.
What's up, bro?
I like driving, so
Hi, how are you?
It ain't that far.
Nah, I don't mind driving.
Yeah, but in his car, it was over like heating, kind of.
Damn, you need some milk.
Bro, it's a piece of shit.
But yep, here it is. The 350. Man, I seen you. I was looking at your stories and she going back. I'm like, oh, she done already been in some fast shit.
No.
She was in the CTSV and stuff. I'm like, man, we probably gonna have to get a second round her in the SE. I'm like, 500 might not be enough for her though.
I think she needs some of that 2J power, bro.
I know. What's the fastest car you rode in?
Probably the CTSV.
How much does the CTSV make?
I think
like
600.
5 or 6?
Yeah, 5 or 6.
Oh, we might be cool then, because this car is a lot lighter.
Hey, I mean, I saw you go up the 500, so
yeah, I mean, it's gonna be alright. Like, that car is a lot heavier, but I mean,
the only thing that sucked was whenever you're like about to launch it, it'll like, I don't know why, but his car was like overheating for some reason.
Oh yeah, we don't have overheating issues. We good.
baby.
Yeah, nah, we We should be cool. I should still be able to get a cool little reaction out of you. It's not my fastest car, but we're right here.
We won't talk about that. We won't talk about that.
Yeah, see, man, this is Twinkie, bruh.
We don't talk about Twinkie here.
Fuck that nigga paint. Don't get me to start pointing out shit.
Oh, it was that one guy's hot. Oh,
Yeah.
my
Be
God.
like, see that?
Yeah, it's that dude.
Oh, fuck, he really did you wrong.
I know, man. How you think I feel about it?
But I like the color.
I'm changing the color. I don't even want to be reminded of this nigga shit.
You're like, this.
This color.
It's nice, though.
I know, yeah, this don't sound like the ones that were at your meet.
No, please.
Flutes and
I'm like,
trumpets.
please don't. They're hella revving it and all that.
It's always VQs that mess up meets. So yeah, stock LS3 for the most part.
Stock?
I mean, it's not
Except
stock.
for except for like the
It got a cam and shield block.
5% anti-stock.
Yeah, I mean, when I say stock, I mean like stock intake. There's no fast. There's
nothing crazy.
no fuel rails, nothing like that.
Yeah. No 85.
I mean, it's set up for 85, but it's on 91 right now.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
85 on this.
Ready. You can see my face.
Yeah.
I'm like, I don't think I should hold my phone for this.
My phone always goes flying.
Oh, I don't have my hair tied. Alright, well, eyelashes are coming off.
Oh, copyright.
You can hear that. Oh my God. I'm not ready. My leg cramped up so bad. I was not ready for that. You on the turns though, it's amazing.
It's hella, like on here, it's hella grippy.
Yeah. Like it takes You're gonna put a question mark, be like, what did you just say? Dude, this is crazy. Oh my God. I think I might need to get a Z now and LS swap it.
I tell people this is like the perfect combination. This combination just works so well together.
Yeah.
Light chassis, like nice torque. Alright, I'll give you a launch too.
I'm in the car right now. Like, say hi. My mom, yeah.
What's up, moms? How you doing? I'm doing great.
Oh, we got a straightaway. Okay, well, I'll call you back right now, okay? I love you. Love you too, bye. All right, let's do this. All right, I'm gonna get out. I think I just seen God.
Now we definitely can look. There go another 350. But she gonna punish him for being
Aw.
stock.
You're like, that's what you get.
Should have had an LS swap, bruh.
Dude, this is crazy though.
It's not bad.
Oh, it's really good. Damn. I should have brought my hair tied.
about to make like 1100 horsepower. So, yeah.
I think my soul just came out of my like body though.
The SC is the one that like people are usually like, all right, like I'm done. They usually like tap out.
I'm
Like
surprised
this-
I haven't grabbed on right here. I'm just like, okay.
So when you have a little ass car that makes, you know, a good amount of torque, it just feels a lot faster than what it is because it's pulling so hard.
Yeah.
Like
I don't know. I go, you better stay.
like that's torque.
Yeah. I hit my head. You're definitely using me as clickbait now. out of breath, dude. Oh my god.
So what do you think? 500 horsepower car.
Only reason why this feels way faster than any
It's
other
light.
car. Yeah.
It's super
Car to weight
light.
ratio.
Dude, and on the turns though,
That's where this car like really shines at.
Yeah.
Like it turns really good.
like on the turns, I was like, wait, are we gonna like flip over or something? And I was like, nah, you
Nah.
got this.
Yeah, nah.
boys.
So with the R888s all the way around, like even though it has big wheels, like this car hooks and hugs hella
Yeah.
good. She thought we was dead in the tunnel.
I got scared.
You think I'm a risk tearing up my car to scare you?
It's because the freaking road's uneven there.
That's why you go in. That's why you go in the middle.
I'm just hella speechless right now. God, give me legs, please, because I think they're gone.
Oh, she needs some legs too.
Oh fuck, dude. Like I heard it and I was like, yeah, this thing's gonna just take me out.
V8.
Like whenever he was going down that street, I was like, bro, I'm about to pass the out already. I was like, I can't. And then
Nah, we could have went way faster around that turn. I was like, all right, we coasting.
Yeah,
I know the stop sign was coming up. Nah, we had way more to go. Like it wasn't
And I
even.
thought he was gonna go all the way straight, and I was like, yeah, this is it. I was like, this is it for me. That's why I was looking at my phone. I was like, don't pass out. You got this.
Mom's called and shit.
I know, my mom called. She's like, oh my god, hi.
Did she FaceTime you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
And like I was like, okay, wait, there's a straightaway. I'll call you back right now. Dude, that shit's crazy.
So which car's faster, this or the CTSV?
Probably this one because it's lighter. Because
Raw
of the other
power.
one, you could have. There was two people in the car. It was the driver, and then it was the passenger, and then me in the back. So it kind of like probably added a little bit more weight to it too.
Regardless,
What helped with traction? With you in the back all heavy and shit?
Yeah. This one's faster though,
Most deaf.
because it's lighter.
Nah. Little baby vet. It's probably, this car is probably about maybe 800 pounds lighter than the CTSV.
Yeah.
That's a fat difference
You
then.
can feel it going on like the turns and everything. The difference, dude. Whenever he hit the turn, I was like, dude, this shit's fucking dope. Like it was just taking the turns like nothing.
It also has to do with, you know, suspension and stuff too.
Especially since you have it set up more for like a track oriented.
Yeah, it's like it's not slammed. So you see, we didn't bottom out. We didn't scrape at all.
Yeah,
you wasn't
I
hearing
thought
shit
that, though,
scrap.
whenever we went in the tunnel, you'll see me go like that in the video. I'm like, oh.
Nah, it don't rub or nothing. Like everything's like perfectly set up on here.
Cause in his car on our way over here, we were eating shit. Yeah, like he's like, oh shit.
Static life though, you gotta respect the static life.
So a couple hours then went by, and we just been like catting off, and we decided to, she hit up one of her photographers, gonna do a photo shoot. Getting that Rona mask.
Hell yeah.
Bend over points trash. That nigga said arch your back.
Arch your back.
Hey, beginner versus pro, that was perfect. Nigga said arch your back. Arch pro.
Even rap comes out better like that.
Damn, see, everybody see this and they be on my paint now.
Hey man, I'm just saying.
All right, I don't think we should be here anymore, guys.
Fuck this paint. We can throw dirt on it and make it look like it's dirty and you clean.
Literally, like.
Yeah, just make sure you just wipe over the.
I can
Yeah, there you
Photoshop
go.
it.
Fuck, it ain't
Guys,
coming
wait,
out.
hold on, do the wipe down challenge. Let's see if
I
it
can
goes
just
like.
Photoshop and make it look perfect.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a